Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. In our previous video, we have checked our frame and we have found that almost 43 members have failed. So in this video, we will check for column and we'll go for column design. So let's start. So first of all, I'll open our previous model. This is our previous model, and you know that we have analyzed that, and finally we have found our frame size. So if you are new here, you have to watch our previous video. So first of all, I'll go here, and from here we'll see here sections and apply. After that, click on it and click here, show undeformed shape, and here we're seeing our section size. I mean which section are now available in our model. So press here OK. Now go here. First of all, we'll just only work for our column, not beam, in this video. So we'll select from here, select object type, from here columns, select, and then go here, show selected object only. So here we're seeing only column. After that, we'll go here, verify wall member passed. So we're seeing that 46 concrete frame failed at the design check. Before that, we have to go here, so display design info, and after that we'll go rebar percentage. So click here, rebar percentage, apply, then OK. So I'll go here, elevation view for A, apply, OK. So I'll zoom it, and we have to ensure that we are taking, as it is a residential building, so we have to ensure that our percentage of river are not more than 3.5%, and it's better to reduce almost 2% or 2.5%. So first of all, we check here wall are below 2.5%, and when it's showing 1%, it means the minimum of reinforcement are 1% according to ACI code. After that, we'll go for B line, here B. Again we'll check that. Here we're seeing that here for that section it's showing a high value of reinforcement percent, 3%, 3.2%, and then it's showing very less. After that here 3.8%, 3.6%, 2.4. So here okay, so in this video we'll reduce that value. That's why we have to increase our section size. So for that we have to click here, here section name, it's showing our column section is 12 into 15 and 12 into 15. Here wall are 12 into 15, wall are 12 into 15, wall are 12 into 15, wall are 12 into 15. So here wall are 12 into 15, and when the section size are showing different, then you have to take a screenshot from here and you have to change from here. So then it's for B, and for middle frame we will increase that size. After that again we'll go here, display design info, rebar percentage, apply. Okay, now we'll go for C. Here for C it's showing also here 2.96, 3.07, and here 3.2. That two column are showing the maximum percentage of reinforcement, and wall are showing the minimum. So we'll consider about two column. Then again we'll go for D. It's showing that it's showing the minimum number of rebar. So that's why we'll go again down. I mean for C, here we are seeing that. Now we'll see from here the section size. It's also showing that the section size are 12, 15. Now we'll increase, but we have seen that from here we're seeing that the for upper portion the reinforcement are 1% or very low, but in down it's showing. So we'll change our reinforcement till Storey 3. Sorry, we'll change our section size till section 3, till section 3. So for that, for C and D we'll change the section value. If we go here down B, here we'll change that value till Storey 4. So unlock that on Storey, here, okay, then from here, and here till Storey 4. Again we'll go here for C, here, again go here and go here and go here, again we'll go here, again go here and sorry, go here. So we have selected our 4 column till Storey 4 because it's showing the maximum reinforcement. Now in topper side we are seeing that the column size are 12 into 15 inch. So we can increase here maximum 12 into 18. Here we can increase 12 into 18. So for that we'll go here, assign, frame, section property, and from here we are seeing that, sorry, before that we'll do one thing. That we'll select wall column, because here you are seeing that it's column, it's showing in bracket column. It means it's in auto selection, but we have to change that auto selection to fixed selection, otherwise when we will again analyze, it will again consider it as auto selection. So as we have seen that, or everywhere it's showing 12 into 15, and here we will change that. So after assign that, we'll again assign that. For that, we'll go here, select, and again go object property, then column, select, we have select wall, then we have select all column, here, we have select all column. That's why we'll again go assign frame, section properties, and from here we'll select for column 12 into 15, for column 12 into 15, then apply. We are seeing that everywhere it's showing 12 into 15 inch column. So again we'll go down for our B and C. You have to remember that B and C till Storey 4 it's showing section B, showing the maximum reinforcement. That's why we'll select that here till Storey 4, till Storey 4, again section B, again section C, section C. For section C we have selected till Storey 4, then we'll go assign. Again I'm going here, we have select for section C. If we zoom that, here section C and section B till Storey 4, then we have to go assign frame, section property. After that we'll select 12 into 18, 12 into 18, then apply. Okay, so we are seeing that only for that 4 Storey it's showing 12 into 18 and another 12 into 15. Again for C also it's showing 12 into 18 into 12 into 15. So for that we have done our column section assigning. Then we'll go in 3D mode. Again we'll go here for analysis, run analysis. We'll go for run analysis. After analysis, again we'll check for our design check, and after that we'll again see that what is the condition for our reinforcement lever. So I'm going to skip that process because you all know that about that skip, about that step. In my previous video I have done that. So when it will be complete, I'll come here. Our analysis have completed. Here our analysis have complete. Then we'll go here, we'll click here for design check. So click here, it's going for design check, and also after design check we'll again come back because our video are being very lengthy. So if you have any confusion about that design check procedure, you have to go our previous video, and there I have explained about it in details. The link are given in description. Even I would also, for all videos, the link are given in description. So it's almost done. Here it's showing analysis and design section differ. For 7 concrete frame. Do you want to retreat it? No. Then again we'll go for sorry now we'll go again for, first of all we'll see here verify all member passed. It's showing 40 concrete frame failed. Do you want to select them? Yes. So we are showing that they have no concrete column that are being failed. So now we'll go for check. So first of all, I'll go here, click here, display design info, from river percentage, apply. Okay, now we'll go here for elevation A, apply. Here we are seeing that for A it's showing the reinforcement properties, it's less than 2.5%. We can maximum consider till 3.5% for residential building for column, but it's showing very low, so it's okay for our design. See, if we go top, now again we'll go for B bar percentage. Here also it's showing, if you notice that in our previous analysis, here the value was very high, 3%, like 3% and 3% up, but now it's being down more than 2%. So for till the top floor it's showing very low percentage of river. Now again we'll go here, it's also showing less than 2% everywhere. So again we'll go for D, it's also showing less than 2%. So here our column check are okay. So here percentage meant the volume, this is the volume with respect to the total volume of concrete for that floor. So here we have found that everywhere our design are okay for column. So in this way you can check your column design, and in our next video I'll show you that how we'll pass for our beam, and I mean for our torsional and shear check, and torsional and shear failure, how we'll reduce that or how we'll pass that. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video, and if you think that this video is helpful for you, press the like button so that I can understand that's really helpful for you. So